back here. I'll show you guys something. I did this job here probably 30 years ago. I think there were 20 doors. I did on this job and I got it. You know, these kind of jobs, it's being a lot of work. I like the little ins and outs. See that door there? You guys can bid on these jobs in here and do these. These are all wood doors. See right here, here's a couple doors. They're still here. They've been here for like 30 years. Look at all these doors in there. More doors down there. See, we put all the mail slots on them. So anyway, you guys can bid on these jobs too. These are the property managers. They live in the building too. So they, when you go out there, let's say they get 2 estimates. And then the first guy comes out, they'll give their sales pitch on what kind they should get. And then the next one will be you'll come out. And when you tell people and show them your certification, when you're certified and the other guy's not certified, you can rest assured if you show them your certification that you're gonna get the job probably 100% of the time. And just for that alone, you should take the course. So anyway, we will teach you the right way, how to go out and make the big money. You could do this anywhere. You live in Chicago right now and you move to Texas, you can do it there. Anywhere you move in the world, you can do it. All you guys, I'm telling you, you're being left behind. You don't understand how easy this business can be for you. How good the garage door trade really is. You go out, you fix their problems, make them happy, get their door working again. So, my advice to you guys, get out in the real world, get your coffee, start marketing yourself for garage door repair, and you guys will make a lot of money. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, I think he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.